And the real reason that I'm here is because of this handmade. That the guy that lives on that house has built a tower on top of the rock. Let's go see. So he started building this tower 2009 and got it ready by 2015, so 6 years. Slowly building the tower. Down we go. It swings a little on the wind, but not much. So this proves that if you want something really bad, you can do it. This guy wanted tower and he built himself a tower. Pretty nice. It was not that wobbly that I thought first, but nice. Everything is going smoothly. We have the water in our tanks again, so we can go shower in the morning time. We put the timer on, so when we wake up there's always hot water available. That's pretty nice. And yeah, otherwise now when it's weekend we are out in the middle of nowhere, this time in Jaala. I dropped Sarah to work because she has to work on Saturday on a meeting, so me and boys went for some adventures. Yeah, the first place we went was actually the tower. One guy had built his own tower on his yard and now it's open for everyone to go there and enjoy it, and it was a bit scary. It was a bit wobbly, but yeah, pretty nice. And when I dropped the Sarah off, I went straight from there to have a morning coffee just by the lake. There was actually one beach, public beach. It was just a little town, I think 200 people max living there, and their public beach. And well, for wild camping it's not working, but for morning coffees and enjoying the morning sun, it was great. It was really in the middle of nowhere. I accidentally got there. I saw a sign for public beach and I turned there and saw the beach. Yeah, still swimming. There's actually on this lake there's ice. All the middle of the lake is full of ice and it's starting to melt. There's like maybe 1 centimeter of ice anymore left on this part of the Finland. Yeah, but otherwise this day has been great. I've been just driving around with the dogs and going walks with them, and especially with Dino because Dino is a bit sick at the moment, so he's farting and has stomach problems, so I have to take him out every 30 minutes or so. So we are stopping quiet places and go for a walk and then continue. But for wild camping this is awesome because it can fit like 10 I think vans at least, and everyone has their own part of the beach. Of course this is the best part, sand beach just beside me, and I can basically drive our van top of the lake. I like these places. There's some noise coming from the summer cottage neighbor. Lots of summer cottages in Finland. Every, like for example, this is full of summer cottages, I think 50 or something around this area. So it's not that hard to find wild camping spots from the lakes because there's always these boat ramps and some wilderness beach or small towns where it's not that much people. And public beach, during the summertime I wouldn't use them, but during this time of year when there's still ice left, you can go there on the public beach. There's no harm done to anyone, so even if the local law says actually that you cannot wild camp on the public beach. I have still 5 hours of my own time left, and then I pick up the Sara and we go next wild camping spot. So I have planned to go from here. There's actually one water spring. I'm gonna fill up our water tank from the spring. It's really sunny. We are a little bit bent to the sun and we can get all the solar. We forgot to film the installation of our bigger and larger and more efficient solar panel to the roof, but last year during the summertime we would have to charge our batteries with the external shore power maybe 2 times a week. Now we haven't been on a shore power for 2 weeks, so basically now we are totally self-sufficient. 275 watts was enough for our needs. We can use laptops whenever we want, and we haven't really tested it like using the laptops whole day when it's sunny, but we will test that also in the near future, because if we edit videos for the whole day, I don't know if the solar panel can hold the charge, but let's see. That is also really nice test thing to do when we are getting the sun more and more. And during the summertime, you actually, I don't know if you know, but during the summertime there's a time when the sun don't go down at all. So midsummer, so we can get solar maybe 20 hours per day. It goes down, so sun, but it doesn't go below the horizon. About the insulation, we use the same blocks that we glued into our roof. They are like normal blocks, corner pieces that are screwed on the side of the solar panel and then glued to the van's roof. And the glue is more than enough. I think we use Sikaflex 221, if I'm correct. I think it was 221. And I took the old glues away and it was nightmare because it was totally stuck there and it was really hard work to get out the solar panel when it was glued so good. So I used the same glue because it worked last time and now it's there firmly. But doubled the solar panel capacity, it's much more convenient for us, because only reason that we went to the camping grounds during our trip to Europe was because our batteries were empty. And that's why every time we make a decision to buy anything or install anything, we have to take care that the batteries are not drained. For example, our LPG heater, we wouldn't want to change it to anything else. Even if the diesel heaters, they it's much more easier to get diesel. You don't get hassle with the bottles with the LPG, but I don't see any problems with every 5 days or 7 days changing the LPG bottle during the winter time, or during the summertime every 3 weeks. That's not a problem, because that way we can get so much more battery power to use anything else, because it's so low consumption, the LPG heater. It's hardly using any battery power. That's why we love the LPG heater. We have been using the SOx system now, I think 2 months. First in the camping ground, and we just did only the number ones, the toilet on the camping ground, because we had the toilet over there, so we used them on number twos. And yeah, emptying with the SOx system and not using the chemicals. During using the toilet in the van, there used to be like little scent of the chemical that is used, Deadfall Blue, coming out every time when you went to the toilet. Now when we are using the toilet without chemicals, we don't get any scent inside. It's totally scent free. There's nothing coming inside the van, because the SOx system works that whenever you open the plate, it has a vent and fan that it sucks air from the cassette. So everything that is smelling there is going outside. So we don't get any smells inside. And it has been working great. I love it, because I don't know, I don't like having chemicals in our inside air that we breathe every time we went, because you can actually smell it. Then there's lots of it. And now, after using the SOx system, everything is perfect. Of course, when you are not using the chemicals, the emptying process is not so pleasant. But it's not that bad that I thought. I have to give an example of how sensitive I'm with the smells. For the first 2 years, when we bought the van and owned it and lived in it, I didn't empty the cassette even once. It was always Sarah's job. And that's because, bad smells make me puke really easily. Really easily. So I was really afraid to empty it. And Sarah promised when we bought the van that she will empty the cassette every time. Yeah, I was planning to buy some gas mask or some charcoal mask or something, painter mask, so I can use it when I'm emptying the cassette. Yeah, but after 2 years I encouraged myself and emptied a couple of times. Still Sarah is mainly emptying, because we don't want to have a disaster that I puke somewhere. But yeah, I have been now emptying the cassette without any chemicals. I would say it's not that bad that I thought it would be. Yeah, we're gonna test it still, but after these 2 months of use, the SOx system, I like it. I like it a lot. It was one of the best. Solar panel was the best thing that we bought to the van, and the second one is SOx system. I'm still wondering why did we bought the SOx system right when we bought the van, because we saw the SOx system installed on our tour block, and we were really excited about it back then, and then we just forgot it. Yeah, we saw the installation again, their block, and then we decided to buy the SOx system. So the SOx system itself, it's we have the installation video. I think I'm gonna go put it somewhere here or wherever it goes, and you can check it. It's really easy to install. Just a couple of pipes go in there, fan and some connections, and that's it. And then it works as it should be. So every time you open the plate, it starts to suck air from the cassette. So nothing is coming to the inside of the van. No smells, no skins, nothing. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. But I'm gonna now enjoy this wild camping spot. Gonna take some D vitamin because we Finnish people, we don't get any D vitamin from the sun during the winter time. So as you can see, I'm totally white. Yeah, not burning myself like in Switzerland, but trying to maintain my D vitamin levels. And then going for a walk with the dogs here, and then continue forward and just chilling and driving, enjoying these little roads that are here and all the sights and things. Yeah, life is easy, life is great, and after 3 years this feels still the best choice that we have ever done, to live in a van.